In last video, we learned the simple present tense and present continuous tense. In this video, we are going to learn the simple past tense and past continuous tense. Okay, so first the simple past tense. How we write a sentence in simple past tense? In positive form, we first write subject, the sentence is about, plus verb second form, plus object, the rest of the sentence. Here we use verb second form and no auxiliary in positive form. Like example, he started. He is a subject and started, verb second form. Start second form is started. We started, we subject and then started. Now how we write negative form? In negative form, first subject, the sentence is about, plus did not. Did here is the auxiliary. In negative form we use did as the auxiliary. So did not, not is compulsory in the negative form, plus verb second form. Here also we use verb second form plus object, the rest of the sentence. Example, he did not started. He is subject, did is auxiliary, not for negative form and plus started, the rest of the sentence. We did not started. We subject, did is auxiliary, not for negative form and started, like rest of verb second form. In question form, while how we make a question, we use auxiliary at the starting, did plus subject, the question is about, plus verb second form, action we are doing, but second form, plus object, the rest of the sentence and a question mark. Example, did he started, did is auxiliary at the starting, he subject are started, verb second form and a question mark. Question mark is important in question form, remember it. Did we started, did is auxiliary at the starting, we are subject and started, verb second form of start and a question mark. Now the functions of simple past tense, where and when we use a simple past tense. Functions is we use the simple past tense to talk about actions that were started and completed in the past. It is often used with expressions that refers to points of the time in the past, such as last year, yesterday, 5 minutes ago, and so on. So first the simple past tense is used for the action that is started in the past and completed in the past. जो पास्ट में हुए और जो पास्ट में कंप्लीट हो गए, उन एक्शंस के बारे में सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में आप सेंटेंस बनाते हैं. Also we normally use last year, yesterday, 5 minutes ago types of phrases add in this. Like he completed his assignment at the end of last year. तो here he completed his assignment, उसने complete के लिए अपने से last time. Action is done in the past only, completed in the past only. On New Year's Day last year, we threw a grand party. They threw a grand party last year. The action started last year. Grand party started in the past and also completed in the past. Aditya was born in 1987. Aditya वो 1987 born हुआ. तो the action started in the past and also completed in the past also. We also use the simple past tense to report a sequence of event that happened in the past. कुछ ऐसे event actions जो past में start हुए, past में complete हो गए. We also used that also for the simple past tense. Like this morning, I cooked food, cleaned the house and washed the clothes. Means उसने ये सारे actions करे in a sequence. So we use simple past tense here. Like he cooked food first, then cleaned the house, then washed the clothes. So for sequence also we use the simple past tense. Now the past continuous tense. How we form a past continuous tense? In positive form we use subject, the question sentence is about, then plus was were is our auxiliary, plus verb first form. Here we use first form of the verb, plus ing plus object. Example, he was starting the car. Now was and were was we use with the singular subject. When subject is singular, he, she, it or I or any singular subject. We also use was with I also. So when subject is singular we use was, and when subject is plural we use were, like you, we, they or any other plural subject we use were. Like he was starting the car, here he is singular, so we use was and then starting verb first form plus ing and the car object. We were starting the car. We is our subject, we is plural, that's why we use were here. Then starting verb first form plus ing, then the car object. Likewise, when we form negative sentence, we use subject at the starting, the sentence is about, plus was were auxiliary, not we use in the negative form, not is compulsory in the negative form, plus verb first form plus ing plus object, verb first form plus ing plus object, the rest of the sentence. Example, he was not starting the car. He is singular, so he was not because it is a negative form. Then starting verb first form plus ing starting and the car object. We were not starting the car. We is here is plural, subject is plural, so we use were, then not because it is a negative sentence. Starting the car, verb first form plus ing starting and the car object. How we form question? At the starting we use auxiliary, was, were, then plus subject, now the question is about, plus verb first form plus ing plus object, the rest of the sentence, and a question mark. Example, was he starting the car? Question mark. Was auxiliary at the starting, we use was because he is a singular, subject is singular. Starting verb first form plus ing, the car object, and a question mark. Question mark is very important in past continuous tense. Were we starting the car? We use were here at the starting, auxiliary at the starting because we are forming question, and also we is a plural, that's why we use were. Were we, then is we is subject starting verb first form plus ing, and the car it is object, and a question mark. Question mark is really important in question. Now what are the functions of past continuous tense? We use past continuous tense for an action which was taking place and was interrupted by a shorter action. We use the simple past tense for the shorter interrupting action. Okay, so when we use past continuous tense, when an action is going on but it is stopped for a shorter period of time. कोई action हो रहा है पर वो short period of time के लिए रोक दिया गया है. That action it is interrupted by another action for a shorter period of time. Like I was walking on the beach when suddenly I saw the waves receding. जब वो बीच पे जा रहा था तो उसने waves को आते हुए देखा. So the action is going on like he was walking on the beach. वो चल रहा था, ये action हो रहा था, but it was interrupted by another action for a shorter period of time. Like he stopped to see the waves. Now we also use the past continuous tense to describe a regular action in the past. वो एक regular action जो past में होता था उसके लिए भी they use past continuous tense. Like John was always complaining about something or the other. John जो है वो हमेशा किसी न किसी चीज पे complain करता है. That is a regular action. Like long ago, animals were living together peacefully. पहले जो animals जो है आपस में peacefully रहते थे. So it was an action in past, but it was a regular action in the past. So we use here past continuous tense. We can use both the past continuous tense and the simple past tense with adverbial clause of time, like when the tsunami struck. Also, for some sentences, we use past continuous tense and simple past tense together in a sentence because when the adverbial clause is there, means when the clause is used as the adverb, so we use both the tenses. Like here is the adverbial clause when the tsunami struck. So it was a clause कि जब tsunami आई. So the past continuous tense tell us what was happening up to the point at which the tsunami struck. So in past continuous tense it tells us that what was happening at that time. जब action हुआ तो उस time क्या हो रहा था? When the tsunami struck, I was sleeping in my hotel room. तो जब tsunami struck हुई तो वो अपने hotel room में सो रहा था. It was it was the action that was happening at that time. Now the simple past tense tell us what happened afterward. Simple past tense हमें बताता है कि उसके बाद क्या हुआ. When the tsunami struck, I looked at the destruction it had caused. जब tsunami आई तो मैंने देखा कि उसके destruction क्या हुआ उसके बाद. So in simple past tense it was telling that afterward what happened. In past continuous we talk about the action that was happening at that time, and in simple past we talk about the action that was take place afterwards. Now here we completed the both simple past and past continuous tense. The rest of the tenses we will see in the next video. Thank you.